This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Lee Sturm. Tucked into the charming, established Shea Farms neighborhood, this updated gym truly stands out with 3 beds and 2 full baths, a rare find in an area known for cozy 2-bed, 1-bath homes. Inside, you'll love the open floor plan and modern finishes, including granite countertops, stylish cabinetry, and stainless appliances. The large detached garage provides additional space for hobbies or fitness. Great for the first-time buyer or someone who simply needs more space, this home offers a superb blend of comfort and value. Conveniently located near the naval bases as well as shopping, and just minutes from the beloved Portsmouth City Park, where fishing, boating, golf, tennis, and even a miniature motorized train await. Convenience and recreation abound. Don't miss your chance to own more space in this lovely residential area of Portsmouth. June 27, 2025. For more information, review the details below.